TroubleshootingMonday.com Subitems is a crucial skill for anyone using the platform to manage their workflows and projects. To start, it is essential to understand what subitems are and how they work. Subitems are smaller tasks or items that are related to a main item, and they can be used to break down large tasks into smaller, more manageable pieces. The first step in troubleshooting subitems is to identify the issue. This can be done by checking the subitem's status, due date, and assigned team members. If a subitem is not updating correctly or is not appearing as expected, check the main item's settings to ensure that subitems are enabled. Next, check the subitem's dependencies. If a subitem is dependent on another item, it will not be updated until the dependent item is completed. To resolve this issue, check the dependent item's status and update it if necessary. Another common issue with subitems is that they are not being assigned to the correct team members. To fix this, check the subitem's assignee field and update it if necessary. It is also essential to ensure that the assignee has the necessary permissions to view and edit the subitem. To troubleshoot subitem formatting issues, check the subitem's text and formatting settings. If the text is not appearing correctly, try resetting the text formatting or checking for any conflicting formatting settings. Best practices for troubleshooting subitems include regularly checking the main item's settings and subitem dependencies, ensuring that all team members have the necessary permissions, and using clear and concise language when assigning tasks and subitems. By following these steps and best practices, you can quickly and effectively troubleshoot Monday.com subitems and ensure that your workflows and projects are running smoothly. Regularly reviewing and updating your subitems will help you stay on top of your tasks and ensure that your team is working efficiently.